Question 2. Before a sale, store ABC and XYZ were selling a similar pairs of shoes at the same price. During the sale, the pair of shoes were sold at store ABC and store XYZ at a discounted price of $33.7 and $54 respectively. Mr. Wong bought the pair of shoes from both stores at the sale and saved a total of $47.30. So the question is asking for the percentage discount offered by store XYZ for the pair of shoes during the sale. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is calculate the original price of the shoes, because for percentage discount, we are going to need to know the amount of discount and the original price of the shoes. So we know that these two are the discounted price of the shoes, and we know that Mr. Wong saved a total of $47.30. So, total usual price for two shoes, because he bought shoes from ABC and XYZ, this would be $33.70 plus $54 plus the amount he saved, which was $47.30. And this gives us $135. And we know that the two shoes were the same price originally. So usual price for one shoe would be $135 divided by 2, which gives us $67.50. So this is the original price. So let's find the amount of discount. Amount of discount at store XYZ, because the question wants to know percentage discount by XYZ. And this would be the original price of the shoe minus the discounted price of the shoe, which is $54. And this gives us $13.50. Okay, great. So now we can calculate the percentage discount offered by store XYZ. And this would be the difference, the amount of discount, which is the difference between the original price and discounted price, which is $13.50, divided by, so whenever we are calculating percentage discount, which is the same thing as calculating percentage difference, the denominator must be the original price of the shoe, which is $67.50. And since the question wants for percentage, we have to multiply this by 100%. Okay, so this would give us 20%, which is your final answer.